Hi friends, today we're going to be looking at a tutorial on how to find the volume and surface area of a cylinder. Volume and surface area. Remember, the first thing that we need is we need to make sure that we have our information. So we know that the radius is equal to 8 and the height is equal to 15. Step 1 should always be writing our equation. And we know to find the volume of a 3D shape, we need to find the area of a face and multiply it by the height. So we're going to find the area of this face here, which is a circle, and multiply it by the height. So we're just going to start putting in our information here. 8 squared, and our height is 15. We know that 8 squared is equal to 64. And you can do one of two things in this situation. Either you can go left to right and just multiply across, or you can combine the two brackets first. So I'm going to combine the two brackets first and make 960. Now remember, we want to try and use the pi button on our calculator or 3.14159 more often, because these two are going to give us a closer decimal than using 3.14. Okay, so because I do not have the pi button on this calculator, I am going to use 3.14159, and the answer that I get is 3,015.9264, which I'm going to round to 93 centimeters cubed. This one we can easily estimate as well, because we know that pi is close to 3 as a friendly number, and 960 is close to 1,000 as a friendly number, and 3 times 1,000 is equal to 3,000. So because our number is very close to this, our number is reasonable and makes sense. Okay, remember that when we are working with volume, we are looking at cubed, which means we use units to the power of 3. Okay, units to the power of 3. Now for surface area is different. This is the one that a lot of people tend to struggle with. Okay, you have to find the surface area of the whole shape. So we have 2 circles, and then we have this rectangle, the lateral surface area. So when we write the equation for surface area, we need to find the area of the 2 circles. So we are going to go 2 pi r squared, and then we need to account for the rectangle, which is going to be 2 pi r multiplied by the height. So again, now all we want to do is start adding in information. So 2 pi 8 squared plus 2 pi 8 15. We know that 2 pi r squared, 8 squared is 64. And then I'm going to combine 8 and 15 to get rid of that bracket on the one side. So 8 multiplied by 15 is equal to 120. Now we have to make sure that we solve on either side of the addition sign first before being able to combine them. So we're going to go 2 times 3.14159 times 64, which gives us 402.123. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. The other side is 2 times pi, so 3.14159 times 120, which gives us 753.98. And then all we have to do is we need to add those two numbers together. So 753.98 plus 402.123. And the number that we get is 1,156.103 centimeters squared. Because we are working with surface area, it is centimeters squared. Okay, so 3D shapes uses the little 3. 2D shapes, if you're looking at area, uses the little 2. All right, so again, this is just a tutorial video of how to find the volume and surface area of cylinders. Any cylinder this will work for. You need to remember to write your equation first, show all of your thinking steps, and then finish with those units, proper units of measurement. Hope that helps. Make sure to like and subscribe so that you can see all of the tutorial videos for grade 7-8 math. Thank you.